Hey there guys, it's Kyle here. I'm sure you guys remember me telling you that my Nintendo Switch broke, but I have something to show you. I'll just tell you. I no longer have the broken Nintendo Switch. That's right, I got a new one. And I'm gonna be careful with it this time. See? To show you proof that it's new, I gotta turn this thing on. See? It works finally! Oh man! I'm very happy that I got a new Nintendo Switch. So what do you guys think about my replacement Nintendo Switch? Tell me in the comments below. And I got another game. You guys already know I play Super Mario Odyssey. Well, I recently got Mario and Rabbids Kingdom Battle. That's right. These are the two Nintendo Switch games I have so far. The next Nintendo Switch game I want to get Let's Go Pikachu. Yeah, Pokemon Let's Go Pikachu is what I want. I'm so happy that Christmas is around the corner because who knows, I could get the Pokemon Let's Go Pikachu. Because I would like to get a shiny over there on Let's Go Pikachu. My very first shiny on Let's Go Pikachu. Because you guys already know my very first shiny on Pokemon Go is Shiny Pikachu. From the original Pikachu Community Day. Oh man. I'm very happy that I got a new Nintendo Switch to replace the broken one. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel, drop a like on this video if you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time on the next video. Bye-bye.